How to reduce your video noise from your background. How to remove background noise from a video is very simple. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Los Frank, and today I'll be teaching you on how to remove noise from your background, and it's very simple. It's not hard. So please, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, comment, like, and please come back again and comment. And if there's anything you want me to treat, just say it in the comment section. If I pick interest on that, I'm going to do that. So on today, we'll be using Capcut, and it's very simple. So please stay tuned. So this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to log into your Capcut. Click on project, which is I'll be using arrow, which is this. You click on your new project. So if you are done clicking on project, so the next thing you have to do is to click on the video you want to do. So first of all, let me just choose the particular video I want to use. This video I did, I'll just click on one of my video. Let me just choose this one I did. That it was raining there when I did the video, and it was actually noise. The noise there was too much, so I'll be clicking on this one.
I can see, here is zinc. You see, it has been raining and it has been bothering my body.
See, so once you click on add, so I can see it has. Let us play the song. This how you hear it.
I can see, here is zinc.
You can see, you can hear the sound of the water. So all you have to do is just to tap on the video. On the down part, you will see so many things at the down part. If you watch at the down part here, you will see so many things. So you all have to do is just to scroll. You have to just scroll, and look for where they wrote voice. First, you have let us increase the video, increase the voice.
I can see, here is zinc.
Increase the voice. So let us track. We'll look for voice remover. Let's go. Look for voice remover. Yeah. So reduce noise. So you click on the reduce noise, which is this. You click on the reduce noise. So once you click on the reduce noise, let us click on it. So you click on reduce noise. So your data need to be on. Sorry, I didn't on my data. Need to be on. Let us try again. Because Capcut is just like a robot. Your data need to be on. Get out of my phone. Reduce noise. So you click on this.
I can see,
you see
here is zinc.
It's actually reducing the noise. So you click on this. So let us play this now. Confirm.
I can see, here is zinc.
You see, that's actually much
I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to make
this is how it's going to look, assuming we did reduce the noise.
You see?
So once you click on reduce the noise,
I can see, here is zinc.
You see,
so
it has reduced.
I wanted to show you guys how I'm going.
It has reduced the noise of the background, so it's no more as it is before. So remember, this Capcut I'm using is just a hacked Capcut. So I'm actually going to teach you guys how you can able to export video from Capcut even if you don't have a hacked one. So thank you so much for watching this video, and that is how to do it. It's very simple. If there's any mistake, just let me know so that we redo it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this wonderful tutorial. So please, if you please and you loved it, please subscribe, and thank you. See you again next time. Bye.